Have you ever been speechless when trying to flirt with someone you're attracted to? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to find the right words in the face of potential love. But fear not, fellow detectives of the heart, because today we're cracking the code of flirting mastery. How to use words to spark serious attraction. Let's face it, cheesy pickup lines are a thing of the past. We're looking to build a genuine connection, not just a cheap laugh. So, how do we use words to ignite that spark, that undeniable sense of attraction? 1. The art of conversation. Flirting isn't a one-way street. It's a captivating conversation. Here's the key. Ask thoughtful questions that go beyond the weather. Show you're genuinely interested in getting to know them. Listen intently, not just waiting for your turn to speak. Pick up on their interests and passions, and build on those points to find common ground. Share interesting stories or anecdotes that reveal your personality, but avoid being self-absorbed. Let the conversation flow naturally, but don't be afraid to steer it towards topics that showcase your humor, intelligence, or adventurous spirit. 2. The power of playful teasing. A little friendly teasing can go a long way, but there's a fine line between playful and hurtful. Here's the secret. Tease them about something lighthearted, poking fun at a minor quirk or a friendly competition. Use a playful tone and a smile to show you're just having fun. Remember, compliments can also be a form of teasing. Highlight something they might be a little self-conscious about, but do it in a way that's endearing and complimentary. 3. The magic of compliments. Compliments are like verbal bouquets, but generic compliments like "you're pretty" are a dime a dozen. Be specific. Instead, highlight something you genuinely admire. Did they make a witty observation? Compliment their humor? Do they have a captivating smile? Let them know you noticed. Notice their passion for a cause or their dedication to a hobby. Show genuine appreciation for their values. But remember, keep it sincere. Overly flattering comments can come across as insincere. 4. Unveiling the mystery. A little mystery can be incredibly attractive. We all love a good puzzle, right? Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Leave them wanting to know more, piquing their curiosity with playful hints and subtle innuendo. This doesn't mean be cryptic or confusing, but rather create opportunities for further conversation. Tease a hidden talent. Mention an upcoming adventure without revealing all the details, or leave them hanging with a funny anecdote that begs the question, what happened next? 5. The confidence catalyst. Confidence is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Believe in yourself and your worth. Speak clearly, make eye contact, and project a positive aura. When you feel nervous, take a deep breath and remember, everyone feels a little awkward sometimes. But owning your confidence shows you're comfortable in your own skin, and that's incredibly attractive. Here's a bonus tip for all you subtle detectives out there. Mirroring can be a powerful flirting technique. Subtly mimic their body language, not in a creepy way, but to show you're in sync and interested. Lean in slightly when they speak, smile when they smile, or subconsciously adjust your posture to match theirs. This creates a sense of connection and comfort, and it shows you're paying attention to them. So remember, flirting mastery is about using your words to create a connection, spark attraction, and leave a lasting impression. Now get out there, detectives of the heart, and use these tips to write your own love story. Subscribe for more Mind Detective videos.